had a lot of negative experiences where, you know, teachers would, you know, make you cry and, you know, yell at you. It was like a hodgepodge of stuff, associations with your childhood and bringing in like past memories, like sense memory kind of stuff. And I always just thought, this is really toxic. It just made me feel kind of crappy, and I always thought it was something that I was doing wrong, and it was kind of this, you know, tear you down and build you back up method that is just really counterproductive to the whole thing. And when I stumbled upon the acting center, it just totally changed everything, how I was thinking about acting and how I thought about the industry in general. It definitely revitalized me, and all of my creative juices started kind of just flowing again. It's completely different. You're actually putting all of that stuff, all of these other places that taught you, in the trash, and you're learning that, wait a second, I can just become that character myself.